cats?
Nah, it's not their scene.
Fair enough. Are you coming, Swan?
Seem like nice girls.
Sure, nice enough. Maybe we're gonna get more new folks around here.
What? You're sick of me?
I'll never get sick of you, Pam.
Hey, Swan! Thanks for coming with me. I knew you'd get it.
Hey, Nor. Do you remember how strange Kat seemed after we found the abyss?
Oh, come on. Can't we take a break from talking about that night?
Why?
Sorry, I'm just sort of past all that. Pool time?
Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Which way do we go? Fair warning. Don't slow down on him! Follow me! Come on. Grab a cue stick. They're up on the wall. Okay, let's do this.
Sorry, there's just one last thing I want to say.
What?
I kind of regret not making a wish that night.
Really? I mean, we were just messing around. So, who wants to break?
Your dream, Autumn. I asked about it once. Remember when I interviewed you?
Yes, I remember that. What did I say?
I think you said that you wanted to do something that matters.
Oh, that's right. Well, that wasn't my real wish, but I'd say I got there anyway.
Al, get off the mic.
Let's talk about music.
Anymore. You know,
Do you still play Autumn? Like, just for fun?
two bickering again.
No, I don't know. It felt weird playing without the group. I mean, you still play it all, Nora?
Nope. And you, Swan? Still making movies? No shame if you don't.
I'm working on a book, actually.
Wow. What's your audience?
Young adult. It's a horror novel about these teenagers, but it's more psychological horror than like blood and gore horror.
Oh.
Which way do we go?
That's great.
Don't
There's
slow
definitely
down
an
on him.
audience.
Follow me!
It's your turn, Swan.
Okay.
Oh, come on, man. I'm gonna tell him to cut you off.
Nailed it.
Rolling. Okay. Can you say your full name, age, and something about you to the camera?
Why?
Oh, it's just like this format I'm using.
Whatever. I'm Catherine Michelson, but everyone calls me Kat. I'm 16, and, I don't know.
Oh, shit, Swan. We should have shot this at the Abyss.
It'll be cool. Promise.
Fine. Ask whatever, as long as it's not annoying. I write poems sometimes. Winter is my favorite season, and blue is my favorite color.
What's it like at your house?
It sucks. I told you, no annoying questions. Next.
How'd you get into the riot girl stuff?
I met this girl at a bookstore in Seattle on this family vacation. And she told me about Bikini Kill and how she could send me these zines. Her name's Claire. She mails them to me sometimes.
What's a zine?
It's like a homemade magazine. It's awesome. They print people's art and writing. Some of it's really out there, but like in the best way. They put it all on the line. When I found punk music, I felt like, oh, there's really some people out there who get me. Because, like, before you guys, My only friends were the fucking deer on the ranch, but it's a hunting farm. They're bred to die. I guess I felt alone a lot. Unless I was with Gertie.
Who's Gertie?
When I was a kid, I was pretty normal. I went to church like a good girl, even wore a dress. There was this one day, Mom just pushed my buttons and I snapped. I called her a bitch.
That's kind of harsh.
Yeah. I was like 12? I got grounded, so I snuck out. Fell asleep behind the library. When I woke up, there was like this fawn. She had a bite mark on her leg. Didn't look good. Guys like my dad would probably just leave her to die.
Did you take the fawn home? You saved her?
Obviously. Thought I'd never go back home that day, but I did. For her. For all the deer I've had to watch die at home. For all the deer I've had to watch die on the ranch, I named her Gertie. And I will never let them kill her. I stuttered. My bad. I'm getting kind of tired.
That was my last question.
I'm just gonna go over here.
Okay.
Kat's tiny, but don't let that fool you. She's super smart, freaking intense, and swears like a sailor. She had stood up for me against her own sister, and she didn't even know me yet. She's totally fearless.
It's not rude. Do you like my motorbike
I can't
idea?
stop filming her.
Or was it
'cause,
weird?
Well,
Tell me the truth.
you never know what she's thinking or what she might do next.
Awesome. Dude, this is... Hey, you ready for our show? It's finally almost time. I think I'm gonna sneak Dad's truck out so we can haul Nora's gear.
Can't you just ask your dad to borrow it? What if he catches you?
What? No way. I won't get caught. Tell me when you're done. I'll wait.
So, it's tomorrow, right?
Yes! Finally.
I'd better bring a fresh tape. I'm gonna film the whole show.
Oh, fuck yeah. We're gonna rage until we blow the minds of everyone in this stupid town. We're gonna be the real deal. Right, girls? Tell me what to go for. I've got a steady hand, so...
Goth. Something dark, like The Crow.
Okay. Stay still. Perfect. So, what now?
Show us!
Oh
my God!
No one should see us back here.
Cool.
I feel like a spy.
We'll paint the lights with these.
It's gonna look so cool.
Yeah. I saw this idea in one of my zines. I'm gonna leave the truck here until we meet up at Nora's place later.
We poured our hearts and souls into that one night.
By the way, your red eyes are not so encouraging.
The concert. It was here at the Blue Spruce, remember? Nor. You unpack the truck.
You guys will help, right?
We need an extension cord and some power.
Oh.
Let's check behind the building. Swan, Autumn, come with.
I can't believe you guys are ditching me.
We'll be right back, Nor.
Clear. It's this way.
I was nervous, but super excited to find our way behind the bar. I wasn't used to being a troublemaker.
Our incredibly creepy water tower. Like, who even thought of putting giant antlers on it in the first place? Probably a total sicko. But then, for a lot of people here, hunting deer is like their whole life or something. I don't get it. The deer here are so beautiful. I could never hurt them. I could never hurt them. The blue spruce has no clue what's coming. Something from that place in the woods is with us, making us bold, fearless, and loud enough to wake the dead. When you wake something up, you never really know what else you're letting out.
Swan, come, help us out. I was going along with the plan, but I was super scared of getting in trouble. The back of the bar was definitely off limits. It was a risky idea.
Ugh, it's locked.
Oh, Jeezo.
Let's break it.
You crazy? If we get caught doing that, we're toast.
Who'd know it was us?
Let's at least look around.
Oh, the show must go on. We'll open it somehow.
Yeah, let's go.
What's in here? Guys, we might be able to break the lock with it.
Seriously? That summer, we rarely left the comfort of those woods beyond the water tower.
Only for our concert.
A concert in Velvet Cove. What a crazy idea. I mean, she knew it'd be a shock. It wasn't like Velvet Cove had many punks like us. It was a conservative town, for crying out loud. It's, hard to believe that we're here right now, where so much happened.
No go.
Fuck.
Fuck. That's Corey's. Hurry, Swan. What's he got in there?
Careful, guys. What if he comes out?
I'll keep a lookout.
Hey! We should try this. It looks like a combination.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Maybe he got it from Dylan.
can.
Smash it, Swan. Do it.
Are you guys sure about this? We should try that code Swan found.
Dude, breaking it is faster. Just relax. You won't get caught.
If you say so. Got it. Let's go.
I can't believe he left that lying around. What a dumbass.
Oh, we definitely weren't supposed to be back there. I'm so surprised we didn't get caught straight away.
Let's hurry. Look for an extension cord and an outlet.
On it.
By the way, I went to the library looking for some record of that sinkhole we found. They've got nothing. I even asked the librarian. How crazy is that?
We should look into local legends.
It could be a natural thing, though.
I wish I could ask my mom. But she'd kill me if she found out about our place.
Jeez-o. Oh, an outlet. We can use that. Just need the extension cord.
They gotta have a spare extension cord somewhere in this mess.
Yeah. They had lights and stuff running out from back.
Hey, I found an extension cord.
Score!
I saw an outlet in that storage closet. Let's go. Cord's ready.
Okay, I'll run this over to Nora.
We can do this.
Are you a mind reader or something?
Huh?
Nothing. Just thanks.
It's not working!
Fuck. One sec. I know. Maybe there's like some switch to turn it on. Let's look. I can't believe this is such a hassle. Dylan's always complaining about how this place is falling apart. Guess I get it now.
What's Dylan do around here anyway? Is she a waitress or something?
She's been bartending here ever since she got kicked out of college.
Oh, what happened?
She got caught sneaking a boy into her dorm room.
That's gross.
I know, right? Her roommate snitched. Ugh, she must have been a bitch. Just like Dylan. Oh, piece of shit. Is it missing some parts or something?
Doesn't this look like a fuse box thing?
Check it out. Yeah. See if it fixes it. see them.
On it.
I was on cloud 9. I thought I'd remember that night forever.
Things were so different back then.
Music and our bond was all that mattered.
That looks good. Cool.
This ain't the mall, girls. You lost?
Ugh, shut up.
One sticker left.
Oh, there.
Oh, I'll put it on the payphone. Lots of people will see it there.
You look like fucking clowns. And what's with all the gear?
None of your business.
Seriously, what is all this shit?
What does it look like?
Looks like Kat's crying out for attention, like she doesn't get enough. Hey, Kat.
Whatever it is, no.
You know Dylan's gonna be pissed at you if she sees you out here.
I don't care.
I don't believe you.
You should.
You trying to get Dylan fired? This is her job. You need to get out of here now.
Ugh, just shut up.
Whatever.
It's showtime, guys.
Hell yeah.
If I could, I'd do it all over again.
We were unstoppable.
Come on. Go. What's up, dumb fucks?
Ready?
Yeah.
We're bloom and rage. Are you fucking listening?
Hey, what's going on?
Ready?
What the hell?
I don't know.
Get out of here.
I'll kick your ass. Shit. Fuck. Shit.
It's past your bedtime. All done.
Kat, are you insane? You're gonna hurt yourself. Seriously.
Fuck off. You can't stop us.
What?
Maybe we should bounce.
Those girls were breaking and entering. I saw it. Call the cops.
Seriously? You broke in? What the hell is going on? Like, ever since you met these girls, you've been acting like a total psycho.
So what? Go ahead, tell Mom I broke in. I don't care.
I don't believe you. Who's playing gang leader here, huh? Fess up, or I'm calling the cops.
I broke in. Kat did nothing wrong. Please don't blame her.
Swan. Just fuck off,
Don't
Dylan.
tell your parents. Please.
Not surprised you're part of this, freak. I knew you were trouble.
Screw you!
Dylan, come on! Don't ruin this for me! Didn't Mom tell you to stop seeing these girls? I hate you! I hate you so much! I'm looking out for you, Kat! I'm always looking out for you! Don't you get it?
Call the cops already, or I'll haul them in myself!
Yell at her again, and I'll knock your drunk ass on
Back
the ground.
off.
Don't talk to
Let
me like
me
that,
handle
you
this.
fucking whore!
Hey,
Corey, stop!
stay out of this.
Get these girls under control!
Hey! Shut up!
You're out of control, and Kat, shut the fuck up already.
Fuck you!
What's his problem?
Shut your mouth!
You've got my back, Swan? Always. Dude, calm down! Shut up! Screw you! For the fear, the harassment, and the harm that you did. Kat. Do you hear me? Stupid, dumb, fucking assholes!
Kat! Calm down! Please!
And what should we do? You'll fit in well! Seriously, Kat! Let's just get out of here! I'll make you scream, and you'll be under my spell!
Stop!
In hell! I'll be your queen of this infernal hotel! In hell! Kat!
This is all your fault! What? She's sick! Oh my god. Get it? Leukemia. And Kat, no. She's running out of time. Oh no. I knew you'd hurt her. I hate you. All of you.
Do it!